Hey guys, I am Hari from Developer Console. Today I'll show you how to hide any folder without using any software. Just one simple CMD trick. Go to the folder where your target folder is located. Now in the top address bar, just type CMD and hit enter. And boom, command prompt opens right in the location. Then type this command attrib attribute plus h plus s your folder name. Replace folder name with your folder's name. Hit enter and your folder is completely hidden. Even if someone enables show hidden files, they still won't see it. To unhide it, just type attrib attribute -h -s your folder name and your folder reappears like magic. That's it guys. If you like this quick Windows trick, subscribe, share and comment. And this is Hari from Developer Console. See you in the next one.